Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell courses on Shopify in 2024. So first of all, Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to create and even sell your courses online with ease. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up and even sell courses on your Shopify store and even create one if you don't know. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this where you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to the URL section. Make sure to type shopify.com and hit the enter button. And this should take you into the home screen or main screen. If you have an account by any chance, just click on login to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, click on start free trial here to create your new account. You'll get 3 days free, then 1 month, of course, for $1. You'll get 3 days basically free for each store that you create. You can create unlimited stores, but you'll not be able to publish it or go live until you pay. So I'll just go here and click on login to log in into my account. As you can see here, remind me later. Click on that, of course, to access my account. And I guess my store will be, my store is already like my trial expired. So I'll just go here and click on all stores and create a new store. As an example, just go and create a new store. Of course, if you answer those questions, basically that's how you create a store. If you answer those questions, they'll basically customize your store depending on the answers that you got in here. So maybe it's for like courses, maybe for a game, maybe it's for physical product like t-shirts or something like that. So they'll be asking you some questions to basically customize your store. I'll just go here and click on skip all. Of course, if you can skip just one question if you want to. If you want to answer all those questions, be my guest and do it. So as you can see, they'll build your store right away. You basically have to do nothing. So just wait for it in here until they build the store. And yeah, as you can see, so it gets, as I said before, 3 days until my store trial ended. They give me even the dates when it's going to end. And of course, I can pay $1 after to make this store last for another month. Then after that, of course, I'll have to start paying for one of the plans that they have as example. So I'll just go here and click on select plan. As you can see, so it's starting basically from $24 because this $1 is just for the first month. Of course, you can even try with the advanced, but you'll pay $1. But after that, you'll have to pay $300. So if you just want to try out for a month, as example, the advanced features, all those features, you can simply just pay $1 to select this plan. It's up to you. So, okay. I shouldn't have deleted that. So yeah, I should delete that. So as you can see, this is my products. First of all, take some time to finish the setup guide. It will help you out. As example, setup guide, add your products, add custom domain, etc. For us in this video, basically show you how to sell courses. So to do so, we'll need to add products. Basically, we can simply go to this list panel, click on add products, or we can click on add products here. Let's say, as example, you don't have this here. So just go to this list panel, click on products here, and on products, we'll find this option. So if you have your courses example somewhere, you can simply just go and click on imports. You can simply import them in here. Or just simply add this manually. You can click on add products in here right away. So first of all, we'll start adding the informations of our course, not products. It's a products after all. So starting by the title as example. So for me, I'll just name it course. As simple as that. Description of that course. You can use AI as example to generate something for your course. So course as example on how to beat as example the last boss on Elden maybe rank or something like that. Click on generate. We can even choose like the tone of it. You can click on keep as example, and as you can see, description. Then the media. So it's how to beat a boss as it seems in here. So I'll just go, it's gonna be a video, right? Explain it. So I'll just go here and upload a video from my PC and upload failed. Okay, I'll just upload another one. It's failed. Maybe it's not supported. Maybe they don't support MP4. So okay, it seems like they should support MP4. Of course, you can even add from a URL as example. So you can upload this example on YouTube or something, or even Vimeo, and you can simply enter the URL of that. You can go to YouTube as example. So youtube.com. And I'll just look for a short video. I'm not going to look for something big. So I'm just going to look for a short video, maybe small, like 10 seconds video or something like that. And okay, this is like good. Okay, I'll just go and click on that. Of course, for copyright, I'll not play the video. So just go and select that, click on add file. Okay, it's failed for some reason. So for the first two, the file format is not supported on trial. Yeah, okay, because I'm on trial plan. Okay, I understand now. Because I'm still on trial, I cannot upload this. But for you, of course, if you already have your store, you'll be able to upload this without any problem. So let's pretend at the moment this picture is my course. So just wait for it since it's uploaded. And as you can see, I'll click on done in here. And as you can see, yeah, right here. For the category as example, so courses, so course, do they have category for that? So okay, they don't. I'll just list it ebooks then. Why not? As it is. Then it comes to the pricing. You can simply enter the pricing of your course. As example, I'll just put 200, which is $20, and you can compare at price. Example, you can charge tax on this product or do not, depending on whatever you want. You can enter the costs per item, etc. Where you can see the the profits and margin. Example, for taxes like purposes. Inventory, if you want to track the quantity of it, it's up to you. If it's a physical product, people like track quantity, but if it's online, if it's just a course, no need to track it. But of course, if you want to track it and you just want to sell like 10 of this course, it's up to you. As an example, you can simply just enter how many you want. But for me, I'll just not do it. Shop application, this product like has SKU or barcode. If you have it, just check this option and fill up those informations. If you want to add even shop location, if you have one, add it. For the shipping, of course, this is not a physical product, so I'll not check this option. It's a course, so I don't need to add any shipping informations. Variants, like as example, if you have some variants for your products, you can simply add that. For the genre, as example, it's gaming and adults. It's made by AI already because of the description right here, so it's already good to go. Yeah, so here you'll see how it's gonna look on Google, and all you need to do now, just click on save. So once it's saved, of course, you'll be able to to see it on your store. So if you go here to your online store as example, of course, so I'll just go here and click on view your store. If you scroll down, as you can see, so this is the course. People will be able to click on it and buy it right now, and you should be good to go. You can add your payments providers or payments options, whatever you want, and you should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.